Bearish Engulfing Pattern. Introduction. Hello and welcome to Module 3 of the Mastering Candlestick Patterns course. In this lesson, we'll continue our exploration of bearish candlestick patterns by delving into the bearish engulfing pattern. This pattern is a powerful indicator of potential trend reversals. Bearish engulfing pattern breakdown. The bearish engulfing pattern is a two-candle formation that signals a potential reversal from an uptrend to a downtrend. It's a pattern that traders watch closely for its predictive qualities. Bearish engulfing pattern. The bearish engulfing pattern comprises two main components. The first candle is a bullish candle indicating an ongoing uptrend. The second candle is a larger bearish candle that completely engulfs the real body of the first candle. Significance as a potential trend reversal indicator. Understanding the role of the bearish engulfing pattern in predicting trend reversals is essential. The second bearish candle's body engulfs the entire range of the preceding bullish candle. This engulfing action suggests that sellers have overwhelmed the buying pressure and the potential reversal might be underway. The bearish candle engulfing the bullish candle. Reliability of bearish engulfing pattern. Let's examine real-world examples to see how the bearish engulfing pattern has performed in different trading scenarios. Historical charts of TCS with instances of bearish engulfing patterns leading to bearish reversals. In this example, we observe the bearish engulfing pattern accurately predicting a trend reversal, providing traders with a valuable signal. Example 2 showcases another instance where the bearish engulfing pattern marked a potential entry point for bearish trades. Reliability across different assets. It's worth noting that the bearish engulfing pattern's reliability isn't limited to specific assets or markets. Whether you are trading stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies, the bearish engulfing pattern's ability to signal potential trend reversals remains consistent. Conclusion. The bearish engulfing pattern is a valuable tool for identifying potential trend reversals. Remember to combine this pattern with other forms of analysis and confirmation signals for more accurate trading decisions. Before moving on, review the key takeaways from this lesson. Understand the step-by-step formation of the bearish engulfing pattern, its significance as a potential trend reversal indicator, and the importance of confirmation. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. I hope you're now equipped to recognize and interpret bearish engulfing patterns. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next lesson as we explore more bearish candlestick patterns.